For Mixed Media Made Easy, personal shopper kit for January of 2018, this planner is the end result, and isn't this wonderful? Now, let me show you all the things you're going to get in order to make this. Of course, you're going to get this very, very sturdy 2 pieces of die-cut chipboard. Now, this is really heavy stuff, and it's going to create your planner. In addition, there's this little piece that became the holder for it, and you're going to get twine. You're going to get so we always talk about a surface, so that's the surface, and a medium. The medium this time is this Tea Color Shine. This is a spray color agent, and as you can see, you're going to get a whole complete container of that. You're also going to get a stamp set. Now, this is Artful Affirmations. It is a gorgeous set, absolutely perfect for mixed media. Now, you're also going to get all of these. So, leather looking paper, music note, textured text paper, as well as kind of a poor man's stencil. This is out of acetate, and we've die cut it for you. You're also getting a piece of lace, very, very pretty. A Discover little tag. This is a metal one, and then the Cat's Eye Q in this teal color, really pretty. A little tag. We also have a real fabric pocket for you. It opens and it's adhesive on the back. Now, to make it easy to apply the tea stain or the ink through the stencil, we've included a little sponge. Then also we're giving you all of these stickers. Now, if you want to turn your planner or part of it into a calendar, all of these stickers are going to be very, very handy and make it very, very easy. Also, as if all of that weren't enough, these are embossed foiled pieces that you do cut out, but they're just beautiful. Use them as they are, or ink them, or sand them. Lots of things that you can do with that. So all of this collection, let me go back to the planner. So here it is, and there's the twine. I think it's really so smart to do that tag upside down. Do some stamping, as you can see. Isn't this just beautiful? There's some inking on those embossed foiled pieces. As you can see, this is spread across. And this little piece holds the binder closed, and just open it up. Now, each of the sections, and Lene will show you in her DVD exactly how she did each of these. So she's chosen to use the pocket on the inside. You can see all the inking and distressing that was done. And then she's done this one as notes and as a calendar. So you're going to get the information about making that. And just as she has decorated each of the sections, and they are attached with more of the jute, so you can see Dance in the Direction of Your Dreams and Follow Your Art. Very, very fun, very neat, and as you would expect, very artsy, don't you think? In the instruction sheet that comes, it's really more of an idea sheet, because the step-by-step instructions will be led by Lene. There she is, and you'll get a link to the videos to show that. In addition, we give you a card and an envelope, and we do that so that you can take the mixed media products and turn them into a card to share with a friend. So here's an idea that Lene has given us, and as you can see, all the elements were used, and then she kind of did another one too. So you've got a couple of options, lots of choices. Most importantly, you're going to make something truly wonderful, and you've got everything you need to make it, and lots of fun techniques, lots of great looks to inspire your creative spirit. We hope you'll join us for Mixed Media Made Easy. Every month you're going to get a treasure trove like this and go step by step to creating mixed media. Go to paperwishes.com, go over to the right-hand side, and you'll see the monthly kits. Click on there and sign up, and we'd love to see you every single month.